In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear Safari search history on an iPhone for the last hour. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser. Then tap right here at this book. After that, tap at that clock icon to head over to your Safari search history, and that's where we can easily find Clear. If we tap on it, we'll be able to clear Safari history for the last hour, for today and yesterday, and for all the time. I'm gonna select last hour, and then to continue, we just need to tap at Clear History. Basically, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.